Hi there, I'm Tom Griffin with National Flooring Equipment. Thank you for joining me today. We are going to look at how to reset the internal GFCI breaker on your Rogue walk-behind scraper. There's a couple reasons this might trip. Sometimes it does happen in transport. They're tied down in a really bumpy trailer. You go over some bumps with it in the back of the truck. That breaker just happens to pop. Or if you do end up actually plugging it into a GFCI outlet, that can also cause the internal breaker to trip. It's quick, it's easy to change. You just need a couple of tools and you'll be right back up and running. So now that you've actually reset your breaker, put the cap back in place, the last thing to do is just reverse everything you did, put the lid back on. And one thing to do is to use Vibrotite or blue Loctite on the bolts when you reinstall them, just to make sure they don't loosen during normal operation. Thanks for joining me. Hope you learned something, and happy floor scraping.